Wir sind zurück in Ludwigsburg, im Wohnzimmer der Elektrik-Elektronikentwicklung der Automobilbranche.
For us as EDAG, it's a must to be here, because here you get all the impulses, you get all the new directions automotive industry is going, and to be here and to see that from the first moment, that's important for us to prepare our future.
Für mich als verantwortlicher Bereichsleiter des Bereichs Elektrik, Elektronik Systems Engineering steht für mich die Systementwicklung ganz klar im Vordergrund. Das ist für mich und für uns alle die Königsdisziplin. Natürlich brauchen wir Hardware, Software, wir müssen alles validieren, aber am Ende, um alles in ein Gesamtsystem zusammenzufügen, was wirklich komplexesten und größten Anforderungen standhält, ist es für uns wichtig, die Systemsicht immer komplett im Blick zu haben und das Ganze wirklich von der frühen Phase bis zur Serienproduktion zu betreuen, zu entwickeln und erfolgreich zum Abschluss zu bringen.
It is for sure the more importance of software. So in these days, software is the key for the success. Many functions are realized only in software, and it's not only more and more functions in software, but it's a completely new software architecture, a completely new software ecosystem, which expects from us to go also in these new directions, working more on IT, working more on these fields of future technology. EDAG can support this path in many ways. On one hand, it's bringing everything together to have the 360 degrees engineering knowledge to make full vehicle development, to integrate everything to have in the end the car. On the other side, we know how to develop serious systems, serious software, serious systems to have the quality which is needed for a serious car. And this is what we can support, the established players, but especially also the new players going into the field of mobility.